National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for central Fulton County in north central Georgia until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Atlanta, East Point, Hapeville, Grand Park Zoo Atlanta, Midtown, West End, Sweet Auburn, Turner Field, Piedmont Park, Bankhead, Cascade Heights, Lakewood Park, Bolton and Atlantic Station. At